Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Realme Buds T310. So I had a viewer reach out to me and recommend these buds to me. So here I am. I'm going to give them a shot. We're going to unbox it. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs. And more importantly, we're going to see how they fit in sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. All right, guys. First up is the box. They come in this like yellow gold. Got Realme branding up top. Realme Buds T310. The buds here front and center. Realme branding on the case. Then on the side here, we've got some specs. We've got up to 46 decibels of hybrid noise cancellation. We've got 12.4 millimeter dynamic, 12.4 millimeter dynamic drivers, 40 hours of total playback. And then on this side, we've got 360-degree spatial audio effect. We've got dual device connection, and we've got Bluetooth 5.4. So we're going to have some solid connectivity to our phones or whatever device they are connected to. Yeah, so that is the box. Very simple. All right. So I've actually opened these up, guys. My first recording, my mic was off. That sucks. But anyways, in the box, you get a user manual. Realme Buds T310. Put that to the side. All right, guys, so here is the case. Pretty compact. And it is a shiny white plastic, very similar to AirPods. And the size is actually pretty simple, similar to the AirPods Gen 3s. I don't have mine here. But yeah, they're pretty compact, as you can see. Again, we got some Realme branding. Got the USB-C port on the bottom here. And this little dot is actually a LED indicator light. And again, I've already checked these out. I've paired them up. All you do is open up the case here, open up the lid, and go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and it automatically sees it. Or my phone did anyways. And I just hit connect, and we were paired. So let's go ahead and check these out real quick. So again, they are made out of the same plastic material as the case. And right there, we've got some left and right branding. Very nice. And on the sides here, we've got a nice flat spot to like tap, because these are touch controls. Same with this side. At the bottom here, got your charging pins. So yeah, let's put these on and see how they fit. Again, medium ear tips from the factory, and they fit me well. They fit me well. And that is how they look, guys. There you go. So far, so good. I don't feel any kind of hot spots. Yeah, they fit me good. But you're going to want to test out or try out each of the ear tips, because you're going to want to have a good seal around your ear, because that's going to provide the best sound. But yeah, here they are. Again, I've already paired these. So let's open up Amazon Music. Play some TI, whatever you like. Vocals, they're clear. They sound very good. And they've got some bass. It's not super bass heavy, but I think just enough. We're about 50% as far as volume goes, and they're decently loud. You go full blast, they're super loud. They're super loud. But yeah, man, the sound profile on these are very nice. They're bright. Again, vocals are clear. you've got some bass, but it's not like on the heavy bass side. So if you're into that, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you like a balanced approach, the sound profile on these are cool. I like them. What you know about Leanne Rimes? Yo, vocals are clear, guys. I like that. Yo, for pop music, these are nice. They sound good. About some gym class heroes. Again, the vocal clarity is on point. I like this bright sound profile where everything is clear. If you like a balanced approach, these sound good. These sound good. If you're into more bass, I would suggest to you the CMF Buds Pro. I think those have a ton of bass and also at a price point that won't break the bank. But yeah, man, these are the Realme Buds T310. While I've got you like this, they're magnetized, so let's see how well the case holds up the earbuds. All right. I think they passed the test. And then you got a nice snap to the lid when you close them. Nice. Yeah. Battery LED indicator lights. And again, these are pretty compact. They are very similar in size to the AirPod Gen 3s. In like from the back, it could be AirPods. Same quality case, doesn't feel cheap. And yeah, again, right around 50 bucks. But yeah, let's test out the mic, because I know people still need to make calls and things like that. Again, these are noise cancellation, and I've got a fan on my side, and I don't really hear the hum. No, I don't hear the hum. It's crazy. All right, here we go. What is up, guys? John here at TEMU Go, doing a quick mic check on the Realme Buds T310. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do we sound clear? Are they any good? Are they bad? Yeah, let me know down below, guys. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. Build quality is on point on these. They feel like the AirPods to me. We've got, again, let's go over specs. We've got up to 46 decibels of hybrid active noise cancellation. I think it works well. Again, I got a fan blowing on the side here, and with the earbuds on, I did not hear it. We've got 12.4 millimeter dynamic drivers. I feel like I've had other earbuds that had the same size drivers, but they were more bass heavy. So not sure about that. And again, we've got 40 hours of total playback time. I'll have to test these out more, and I'll let you guys know in the comments. And 360-degree spatial audio. And then we've got dual device connection, so you can connect these to 2 devices. Again, these are Bluetooth 5.4, so real good connectivity. Only thing that I have to say about these is if you are into more bass, maybe check something else out. I really like the CMF Buds Pro. Those are pretty bass heavy, and they're also at a price point that won't break the bank. But overall, I think these are a solid pickup if you like more of a balanced approach, more like bright sounding, clear sounding profile. Definitely check these ones out, guys. I think you will like them. So guys, that's going to be for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's very much appreciated. And as always, I'm John at TEMU Go. I'll see you in the next one.